Assalamu alaikum everyone, I'm Sarah Mahdi, and today again I'm welcoming you in my another class, and this will be a very interesting and very simple class, and just you have to use a formula for this math, then you can solve very easily. So anyway, that's why of course this based on series or sequence. Anyway, you all will enjoy this very much, so let's get started. Here you can see on the board I wrote already a question. I think you who know about the sequence, I think they already answered about that question. Because if you know the formula, just you will write, you will set the value, then you can identify, you can find out what is your required answer. Anyway, most of the people can be he is just beginner, he is just starting his course or his lessons about BdMO, or taking preparation for Math Olympiad for the first time. Mainly this video is for them, and mainly this is for a beginner category, can be primary, or mainly who are taking preparation for the first time. This is for them. Okay, just look at here on the board. I am reading the question first. That is, find the 100th term of the series. So given a series, you can see this is here. This is a series. Okay, series. So here are given 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 terms given, first 4 terms, and then I have to find the 100 terms of this series. Okay, so how to find? I'm selecting a pen first. So you have a formula to find out. Okay, so if you just apply this, that's enough. You don't need to do more things, just one thing. Just I'm showing you the formula. What will be this? That will be a into yeah, of course there will be just in the previous time actually that looks too bad actually. Anyway, do you know who know about this formula? So of course write in the comment box first, then pause the video, write in the comment box, then come on again, then watch till the end. Anyway, if you know the formula, so very good, and if you don't know, so you can see that is a plus n minus what, 1. Yeah, n minus 1 into d. You can set a into as a dot. Anyway, this expressed as a into, that means multiply by n minus 1 into d. Okay, anyway, and then this was our formula. Then we will go to solving the math. So what is given here? Do you know what is a, what is n, what is d? Okay, I'm saying what is a and what is a, n, and d. That is, a means the first term. What is the first term of your sequence? You can see our first term is 3. Our first term is 3 of our sequence. So you will write here, or you can write here a equals to 3, but you can be, if you don't write it, so that won't be a big deal if you can understand your mind, so that's enough. Okay, but I'm writing for making you understood very clearly. Anyway, then you can see n. N means how many terms you need. Okay, just like you need 100 terms, so you write n equals to 100. Okay, so let's write this first. N equals to 100. Okay, then d means differences. Okay, so d for differences, so that's why d is here set here as the differences. So what is our differences? Can you understand? This is our series. Okay, so here if you want to find what is the differences, the difference is 3. The difference is 3. Hey, wait, here don't write that is this is minus, don't write this is the minus 3. This will be very wrong, because when you write the serious types of math, then you will subtract like last term minus first term. Okay, don't subtract like first term minus last term, like 3 minus 6 equals to minus 3. This is very bad. Okay, anyway, so you will write last term, like last term is 6 minus 3, which will be 3. Okay, so these are mainly differences. Anyway, just look at here, difference is 3. Everywhere I can see this difference is 3, so that means we understood that this is our arithmetic series. And of course, wait, here this formula is our just for arithmetic series, okay, not for a geometric series. When you will see an arithmetic series, then you can use this anyway. Then come on here, oh, our difference is 3. Okay, then look at here, a, what is our a is 3 plus n minus 1, that means 100 minus 1. What is d? D is differences, which is 3. And you can set here a multiply sign anyway. And then what we can see? Oh, we can subtract this and we can multiply this very easily. Anyway, 3 plus, if you subtract this, so you will get 99, and 99 into 3, what will be the result? I am showing that first. 9 into 3, 200. 297. So, did you calculate it yet? Did you calculate yet? And this will be 99 into 3 will be 297. Am I right here? Yeah, of course, I'm right. Then you will just add this. If you add these together, then you'll get 300. It's very easy, common thing. And so this we got our 300 here. So do you know this 300 our required answer, which we worked for? So this 300 is our answer. Okay, so mainly this was very easy actually. If you answer, okay, so if you just calculate with the formula, then you can find the answer very easily. So I think in the next time you can solve these types of math very easily. So that's it for today. And if you have any more question for what, if you have a question like what is the formula for geometric series, and this is of course for our arithmetic series, okay, arithmetic series, and if you need a formula for geometric series, so of course let me inform in the comment box, and in the next video I will show you a geometric series. Okay, so and of course tomorrow will be very interesting lesson. So that's it for today. I will see you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.